I wouldn't fully trust your calves when running until you can knock out 15 reps with 20% of your body weight loaded on one leg in your slant calf raises. Because years ago, I couldn't either. And back then, I couldn't run at all without my calves breaking down on me. When in hindsight, all I needed to do was build more calf ability than what running was taking away from me. So in targets, our goal is that 15 reps, 20% body weight loaded. But before that, you spend 8 weeks in rebuild, building up your seated calf raises. Here, once a week, we're doing 60 reps in 3 minutes with weight loaded on our legs, which if done correctly, builds the strength and endurance that your ankles need to be able to run. And before we get to that, we spend 8 weeks in unlock. This is the starting point where we're just building confidence in your calves, getting strong and flexible at the same time. 2 sets of 25 reps twice a week. And this scales infinitely because the closer your feet are to the wall, the easier that it gets because there's less range of motion. People will stay stuck with calf issues for years when running, not because they're broken, but because they never built the ability that they need in their calves. And me personally, I never would have been able to get back into running if I didn't start building my calves from scratch. If you're in the same position that I was, then runningability.com is for you. The link to join in is in the description under this video.